In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate a domain on Systeme.io. If you're looking to improve your email delivery rates by ensuring your domain is properly authenticated, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the necessary steps, so let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Systeme.io dashboard. You can do this by visiting Systeme.io and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your online business. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a profile icon. Give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu, giving you access to various settings and options. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll be able to manage various aspects of your Systeme.io account. Once you're in the Settings section, look at the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Emails. Click on this to proceed. This section is dedicated to managing your email settings, which includes authenticating your domain. Now that you're in the Email section, you'll notice an option that says, click here to authenticate your domain and display its information in your email header, which will help improve your email delivery rates. This step is crucial as it ensures that your emails are recognized as legitimate by email service providers, reducing the likelihood of your messages ending up in spam folders. So go ahead and click on this link. You'll be prompted to add your domain name. Be sure you enter it correctly. This is the domain that you want to authenticate, so double check for any typos or errors. After you've entered your domain, click Save. This will begin the authentication process. And that's it. You've successfully started the process to authenticate your domain on Systeme.io. By following these steps, you're on your way to improving your email delivery rates, ensuring that your messages reach your audience effectively. Remember, it's always a good idea to verify that everything is set up correctly by sending a test email to yourself or a colleague. This way, you can see firsthand how your emails are being received. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Systeme.io's support team, who are always ready to help. Enjoy the benefits of a properly authenticated domain, and happy emailing.